A teenager's prayer. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life, that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road, that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. J. Moss. What is the age group of the speaker in the poem? What decisions does the speaker have to take? What does catch new day fetch? Darkened here, it refers to evil, distress, great worry and strain. Temptation, a strong wish to do something bad or wrong. How should one react to temptation? What effect does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? In what condition does the poet wish to maintain his body? Whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life?